Hello everyone, this is NAI500 at PDAC 2023. I'm here with David from Avino Silver and Gold Mines. Hi David, nice to see you. So you were here with us last year. Could you kindly refresh our audience's memory about your company?
Yeah, Avino's in its 55th year of being in business. We've got 37 years of production. Our primary asset is in Mexico. It's called the Avino Mine. And we have three assets there, the Avino Mine, La Preciosa, and the Oxide Tailings. These are the three assets we're going to use to drive the growth for the company over the next 5 years.
I see. So let's talk about some updates. Recently, your company added silver equivalent resources across all properties, which is a total of 368 million ounces. Can you elaborate a little bit on this?
Sure. We've been very successful drilling. And so we increased our resource by 38% over the last 3 years, and that's including depletion of mining. So it's been very successful, and 368 million ounces of silver equivalent is a lot.
That's amazing. Yeah. So I know that Avino is definitely on a clear path to grow organically and to become an intermediate producer. Are there any upcoming milestones that the investors should be aware of?
We've been working on community engagement with the local groups on La Preciosa. That's what we acquired last year from Coeur Mining. And we're expecting to have those agreements in place in the next few weeks and apply for permits. We've ordered the equipment, which arrives in the next few weeks, like the jumbos and scoop trams, all in preparation to break ground this year at La Preciosa. So that's going to be big news for the company, and that's part of our growth strategy. And then also the Oxide Tailings project, we completed 150 drill holes last year, and we've done the metallurgical test work, and we're going to do a pre-feasibility study this year working on getting reserves. So those are the three primary drivers of our growth.
Very exciting. So as you said, this is the 55th year for Avino to be operating in Mexico. With such years of experience, how do you connect with the local communities?
If you look at our labor turnover, it's non-existent. So because the communities surround the mine, we have 100% Mexican labor force, right up to our chief operating officer. Primarily, the workers come from those local communities. So there's been generations over 55 years. So aunts and uncles and cousins have worked for us. So the morale is very good. We won an award, an ESR award it's called, for being a socially responsible company in these areas, and this was an independent panel in Mexico that gave us the award. And our primary trading partner is Samsung, and Samsung liked Avino because it's an ethical company. So they rewarded the local communities with 150 Galaxy tablets for the schools.
That's very interesting.
Yeah.
So my last question for you is, why should new investors invest in your company?
Well, we're generating positive cash flow. So we're a low-cost primary silver producer. We have exploration upside. That we just proven that we could deliver growth, the 38% growth. The ounces that we found was 50 cents an ounce in the ground from drilling. We've got a clear path, so it's not luck that's going to drive our growth. It's the three assets. So it's a really unique situation. When we acquired La Preciosa last year, silver was at $26 and it dropped. We've effectively tripled the amount of ounces we own, and the stock got cheaper. So we're expecting a re-rating as we deliver on our growth strategy going forward.
That's amazing. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for having me.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.